Hi, guys. My name is Terry Clark. I want to welcome you to faithandfit.org, where we talk about everything from health, fitness, relationships, and happiness. Hi, fitness warriors. I want to talk about one of the best compound exercises out there. It's the back row. We all know about the bench press, the deadlift, and the squat. Those compound exercises also work other parts of the body really great, but the back row is right there with them. Okay, and so you definitely want to spend some time with the back row. Now, there are other alternative exercises like pull-ups and chin-ups that you can use to work the back as well. But the back row is one of those exercises that you definitely need to incorporate into your workout. It's a fairly easy exercise to perform. It's compound, so that's really great. It's going to focus in on your back, which is really important for strength and aesthetics. Like the bench press, the back row is actually an antagonist to the bench press. Okay, and so everything you can kind of do with the bench press, you can also do with the back row. Okay, you can use a barbell, you can use a dumbbell. Okay, the grips, where the wide grip, the close grip, and the shoulder width. Okay, you can also do underhand versus overhand with the with the back row. I keep wanting to call it barbell back row, but there's barbell and there's dumbbell back row. I'm gonna do a few of those exercises with the dumbbell and with the barbell, just to kind of show you the difference between the two. Most important thing when you're doing this exercise is to keep your knees bent. And the reason why you want to keep your knees bent, because if you're not careful, your hamstrings and your glute will step in to try to help you out. Those things are part of your posterior chain, and so you really want to isolate the back. The only way you can isolate the back is by releasing the tension on the legs, on the hamstring, and on the glutes. And you do that by bending your knees. When you bend your knees, you don't give your legs the kind of leverage they need to activate and help the back out. Okay, so it's a really great exercise. Having a strong back is really important. It's going to help out with your core. Also, if you had some damage to your back, the barbell or the dumbbell back row is something that's going to help out with that. You can tell I do barbell a lot because that's all I keep saying is barbell when there's dumbbell and barbell back rows to be done. They're really great exercises. Also, with all these types of exercises, especially the compound ones, having multiple different exercises you can do so you can mix up things, it's going to be really important. Okay, but that's going to be the big takeaway with the back row. So let's get into it, see what the back row has entailed for us. We'll do a few for you to kind of give you an example of what you should be doing, but I encourage you to incorporate the back row into your workout plan. It's only going to help you get stronger. You need to be as strong from the front side as the back side. All right, guys, be blessed and have a great day. Thanks, Fitness Warriors, for joining us today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, or comment if you have something you want to share with the community.